Today's lesson will be on area of compound shape. So you will be able to find the area of compound shapes. Now a compound shape is a 2D shape, so flat shape, that is made up of more than one 2D shape. So as you can see over here, this compound shape is made out of two rectangles. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to work out the area. Okay, before you do this, you need to be able to work out the area of shapes like a rectangle, a triangle, maybe a trapezium, and maybe a circle. Okay, so here we go. First thing I do, I split up the shape and I label my two sides. Let's label this one rectangle 1, let's label this one rectangle 2. Now for my working out, I will write area of rectangle 1. So we all know, how do we work out the area of a rectangle? We just do base times height. So if I look at rectangle 1, the base is 2 and the height is 20. So 20 times 2, which will give me 40 centimeters squared. Okay. Now next thing I'll write down is the area of rectangle 2. So area of rectangle 2, and that will be, so we've got one measurement which is 5, so 5 times, now it won't be 5 times 8 because 8 is all of this. I just need this little bit over here. So to get that little bit, I have to do 8 take away 2. So 8 take away 2 gives me 6. So this one is 6. So I will do 5 times 6, which will give me 30 centimeters squared. Therefore the total area will be 40 plus 30, which gives us 70 centimeters squared. Okay, so nice and simple. Split up the shape, find the area of each shape, and then add it up at the end. So this one was 40, this one was 30. 40 at 30 gives us 70. So the area of this shape is 70 centimeters squared. Okay, now the next one we can split up into three rectangles. So I'm just going to split it up over here and here. So I've got rectangle 1, 2 and 3. So same thing again, area of rectangle 1, that will give me 5 multiplied by, look on this side, is 16. So 5 times 16, which gives us 80 centimeters squared. Now same thing again, area of rectangle 2. Now this one is going to be 2 multiplied by this measurement, but we haven't got this measurement, but we can work it out. So if all of this is 14, I can take away this much and this much, I'll be left with the middle. So this much is 5, I can get it from the top, and this one is 5. So 14 minus 5 gives me 9, minus 5 again gives me 4. So this one is 4 times 2, which is 8 centimeters squared. And then last one, area of rectangle 3 is the same as this one, same as number 1. 5 times 16, which gives us 80 centimeters squared. Now the total area, all you have to do is add all of them up. 80 plus 80 is 160, plus another 8, 168 centimeters squared. Okay. Now this last one, I can split it up into two rectangles again. Excuse me. Label one of them 1, label the other one 2. Okay, so again, nice and neat working out, please. Area of rectangle 1, so that is going to be 20 times this measurement over here. I don't know what that is, so I'm going to work it out. So I know all of this is 16, up to there is 10 from here, so up to there is 10. So all I do is 16 take away 10, which gives me 6. So that will be 20 times 6, which is 120 centimeters squared. Then I'll do the area of rectangle 2, and that will give me, that will be 10 times this measurement over here. Now I don't know what that measurement is, and I can't work it out because all of that is 20, but I don't know what these are. If I said this is 2 and this is 2, then I would be able to work it out. Okay, so let's just say this is 2 and this is 2. I have to do 20 minus 2, which is 18, minus 2 again, which is 16. So this is going to be 16. So the area of rectangle 2 will be 16 times 10, which is 160 centimeters squared. So the total will be 120 plus 160, which will give us 280 centimeters squared. Okay.